Why are more fleet operators are moving away from manual machines? 5 years ago, manual bus buses were still considered normal. Today, more transport companies around the world are starting to see it as one of the biggest operational bottlenecks inside modern fleet management. And the reason is simple. Transport businesses are growing faster, fleets are becoming larger, labor costs continue rising, and customers expect much more professional experience than before. But many depots are still operating with washing systems designed for a completely different era. Right now, across many transport operations, the same situation repeats every day. Workers rushing to clean buses under pressure, vehicles lining up, waiting for their turn, inconsistently cleaning quality between shifts, and managers constantly striving to keep operation under control during peak hours. At first, this problem might seem manageable, but once fleet is banned, manual washing start create operational pressure everywhere. More buses require more manpower create more coordination problems. And eventually, the entire workflow becomes harder to scale efficiently. This is exactly why fleet operators globally are beginning to move away from traditional manual washing and transition toward automation instead. Not because it looks impressive on camera, but because manual systems are becoming increasingly difficult to sustain long-term. Modern transport business no longer competes only on rules of pricing. They compete on operational efficiency, consistency, speed, and customer perception. And washing operation directly affects all of these areas. At Go&Go, we have worked with transport companies handling large buses, coaches, and commercial fleets operating daily under intense schedules. One thing we consistently see is that growing business eventually hits the same wall. Manual operations stop scaling effectively. During busy hours, washing errors become overload. Labor teams become exhausted, and vehicles spend too much time waiting instead of returning to service. This creates hidden operational losses that many companies underestimate for years. Automation drains this completely instead of depending on large cleaning crews. Automatic washing systems create a continuous, repeatable process where buses move through, cleaning quickly and consistently. Large vehicles over 10 meters long can be washed effectively with minimal manpower while maintaining stable cleaning quality across the entire fleet. But the biggest transformation is not only speed, it is operational stability. Modern fleet operators want systems that can rely on daily without constantly dealing with manpower shortage, inconsistent performance, or operational chaos. And globally, this transition is accelerating fast. More international transport business and now investing in smaller depots infrastructure because they understand something important. The future of transportation belongs to companies that can scale effectively without increasing operational complexity. That's why automatic wash systems are no longer viewed as optional upgrades. They are becoming part of the foundation of modern transport operation. At Go&Go, our systems are designed specifically for transport companies that want to reduce labor dependency, improve operational flow, and prepare their business for long-term growth. Built for outdoor operation, engineered for continuous heavy-duty use, and capable of dramatically reducing manpower requirements, our system helps companies modernize operation while maintaining professional fleet presentation every single day. Because while some companies continue fighting operational problems manually, others are already building the next generation of transport infrastructures through automation. If your company is ready to move beyond outdated manual washing operation and build a faster, smarter, and more scalable fleet system, now is the time to explore automation with Go&Go. Comment below or contact us today to discover how modern transport companies are transforming fleet operation through automatic wash technologies.